she got hold of one of those nice 2-component paints. So she's working away in here. And look at that white colour. That's a white hole right there for you folks. My God, that looks nice. Whew. Compared to this. And this is actually coming along quite nicely. I think I've taken the pressure off. So we'll try taking that bulkhead out. Okay, so we're jacking up the roof. And I just realised I have to be on the other side to get those 2 jacks down again. Because I need to move this forward, whatever. And I am a wee guy, but it can be a bit troublesome still. We'll give it a go without knocking these 2 bad boys over. Then this might just come down. Okay. I think I'll be able to do it actually. I should work in the fucking circus. Woo! Look at that! So one wall is out and it's still standing. My fucking God, this is probably the most scary thing I ever done. And this wall here is going to supersede that feeling, I imagine. So we're going to take out those screws here now that holds the whole bulkhead to the hull. Okay, so that will determine if I have a boat or not tomorrow. Ooh. So, moment of truth. Lord Almighty. And it's down. Bloody hell. Fy faen, som vi sier. Takk og hold fortsatt. Okay, so it's the following day after the bulkhead removal, and here we go. We have a brand new piece of plywood. Just clumped it down now, so it's a good, nice fit. I'm cutting it slightly bigger than the old one, and also in the upper, not this part here, but this part here, up the upper side towards the hull of the boat. I'm planning maybe I'll add like 5 mils, 10 millimeters, something like that, just to make it a nicer gap towards the roof, the ceiling. The result, one bulkhead and the other bulkhead. And then we have these vertical pieces, the teak parts. I'm going to keep those. I'm just going to glue this wee crack together. What I'm told, the purpose of this, it's not a structural part. It's more like as it goes on the vertical part of the bulkhead is keeping it from bending and flexing, as to keep the structural strength in the bulkhead itself. That's apparently what that's for. So we'll do a test fitting next.